Today, we'll be installing Active Directory on Windows Server. Open Server Manager. Click on Local Server. Here, you can change your PC name if you wish. You can also set a static IP address from here if you want. I'll go with the default. In the Manage tab, select Add Roles and Features. Select Active Directory Domain Services. Ensure that Group Policy Management is selected. Enter a domain name of your choice. Set a password. Here you can see the updated PC name and domain name. From the Tools tab, select Active Directory Users and Computers. Everything is set up. We're good to go from here.